Alrighty, cold weather's coming and you want to put up a window insulation kit. We're going to show you how to do this. Should be fairly simple, fairly easy. First off, get everything out of the box, right? And then take your curtain down. That'll be a lot easier for you. Okay, and once you get your curtain down, clean the surface that you're going to put the tape on. That's pretty simple, right? You just spray, and then wipe it down, and then let it dry. Okay, and since you have it down, you might as well clean your glass too. Get some glass cleaner, clean that, right? Might as well. Then you're gonna take this nice little pretty tape. Okay, you're gonna peel it away. Sticky side right there. Sheathing here to prevent you from sticking. Get that placed. Let's start with the top here. You're gonna want that fairly level. All the way across there. And just cut that tape. Push that tape in nice and firm against the frame. And then you're going to do the same thing on the sides and the same thing along the bottom. Keep it straight though. As straight as you can. Although I should mention, on those top two corners, you're going to want to peel the double-sided part. You're going to want to peel it back so that you can put your next layer, go up and down, over top of the sticky on the outside of the other piece. Okay? So just peel that film back a little bit and then start your next piece on the sticky part. That way it overlaps. Because, yeah, that's what you need to do. And once you got your tape up, overlapping at the corners, again, peel that corner back so that you can get the sticky side of the tape over top of the sticky side. Just peel it back enough to get that done. But leave them covered for now. You're going to get your first piece of plastic, right? And you're going to stretch it out to see, does that cover the window? Yes, it does. Okay. So from here, it's not going to be able to cover the window sideways. Okay. So from here, you're going to peel that top piece off, just the top piece. And then go ahead and start the corners of your side. But you don't want to pull them down too far. Not yet, not yet. Not yet. Pull them down a good ways though. And you want this to overlap about an inch over top of the sticky. Try to get that lined up as best you can. And get it stuck across there. Okay? With that stuck across, now it wants you to do the bottom next. And I say doing the bottom next is not the best option. Your best option is to take one side. Peel that tape off. And go ahead and get that. Now keep it tight, keep it, taut the whole way. Because you don't want a lot of wrinkles in it. And you want to be able to get the wrinkles out in the next step. But you get that on there. Now we're going to do this side here. Just pull that down. And then we're going to, again, pull this tight. Now we are sticking a little bit, but that's okay. We didn't push in on anything. So we can get that pulled away fairly simply, fairly easily. And then get that tight. Push that in so that it makes good contact with that tape. And now from there, now we can easily do the bottom. We're just going to peel that away here. And from there, you're just going to push down Make sure he gets over top of the tape. And we're not quite on top of the tape right there. Okay. Now from there, all you do is trim it up with your scissors. And I'm sorry about the light. There's really nothing I can do about that. We're just going to cut it even with the sill. And then get that top started here. Maybe. Now remember, you do want it about 1 inch on the other side of the tape. So you don't want it exactly flush with the tape. But if you use the scissors and pull away, you can do a pretty good job pretty quick. Simple so far, right? You're almost done. Now, you take your favorite hair dryer. There we go. And you dry your hair. Okay? Oh, doesn't that feel good? Oh, yeah. What? Oh, we blow dry that. Right, okay. All right, it's called heat shrink, right? So you're going to put it on high, let it get warm, keep it between 4 to 6 inches away from the plastic. If you get too close to the plastic, you can mug a hole through it. All right, so you don't want to do that. The thicker the plastic, the little bit closer you can get, generally. Although, I would say as far away as you can do it safely. You just want to heat shrink the corners, just to pull it tight. And once the majority of the wrinkles are out, you're done. Of course, the majority of my wrinkles were already out because I had it pretty tight to begin with. Which is another option. You don't even have to use this if you get it tight to begin with. But hey, we used it, we got a little bit tighter. Not a big deal. That's how you do it. Bye.